I think I messed up. I tried to make a banana dance, but then a sneezing cat showed up. Things got wild fast. Here comes Banana. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Watch him slide and spin. But uh-oh, here comes Cat. Her nose is twitching. Achoo, Banana spin! The banana zooms up, flips upside down, and lands with a silly splat. But Banana's not giving up. Back on his feet, he's got a new move. Twist, hop, hop, bowing. But Cat's nose is wiggling again. Achoo! Banana flip! Banana does a loop-de-loop through the air and lands in Cat's fluffy tail. Now Banana and Cat can't stop laughing. They jump, shake, and do a wobbly dance together. Banana spins, Cat wiggles, everyone's giggling. So next time you hear a sniffle, get ready for a silly surprise. Because with a sneezing cat and a dancing banana, you never know what'll happen next.